Okay, welcome everyone to Opportunity Launch, and definitely glad to announce our pre-launch here through the next week and so in February. We are going to be giving you information about our new service. What Opportunity Launch is about is providing services that help you build your business, whether you're wanting to, learn how to do these things yourself, or now with this new service which creates some very powerful done-for-you marketing that we want to share with you in detail. For those of you that are also looking for multiple streams of income, this is definitely a powerful situation that you're going to experience here tonight that definitely can help support your primary company, what you're doing, and then on the back end, with bringing your team using these tools to help market your business better, or those who have their own other business but still want to utilize our tools. It's going to be a very profitable situation for you. So everything that you've seen built from Opportunity Launch, I want to tell you right up front, I am not a coder. I am not a programmer. I'm a developer. But over the last 8 years, I have been able to communicate effectively with coders and get the right people with the right talent to build things for you know different types of people, different companies, and software and everything else. And so I take those talents and then we put together this particular system, Opportunity Launch, to help people market their business better, and we're constantly improving that. Now I'm taking those resources that I have with a unique service that we call the Viral Marketing Assistance, and making it available to help more people become effective at really building their primary program. So we're going to talk about that here this evening so you can understand that service that we are now providing here in pre-launch. For those that want to show an interest in getting started, we'll make those services available on a time date stamp of those who are wanting to get involved. So first of all, we use the word viral because that's what people are wanting. They're wanting to have their particular information get seen, get visible, and a lot of times they don't know the skills or the things to do on how to do those. So that's where these services come into play to help get things done for you while you're on the learning curve of starting a new opportunity or company, or learning some new marketing trends that are working effectively for others in the marketplace today. So times have changed, however, many people don't have the time to keep up with those changes. And so I myself have not been able to keep up with all the different social media types and the rules and the niches. So therefore, outsourcing has become a way of life for me. For people that I know who have those skill sets, they make it their business to learn these particular companies and keep up to date with being the most effective at using them. I hire those people to do things on a consistent basis to get things done. So viral marketing assistance is about to change your business the way that you market, while you start having someone else, take this vast array of different ways to promote your business and have them consistently going forward for you all year, and everything that is done for you is permanently placed on the internet. So you don't have to learn all this, and you don't even have to do it all anymore. So VMAs do it for you. Now, whatever you're doing right now, don't stop. Continue to keep your marketing going forward. That makes you become, even more effective at what you're doing. But, also allow a whole nother piece and department to start working for you, because if you're going to have a successful business, it needs to have the diversity of marketing. And if you don't have these things working for you, then you're falling behind. And you can't do it all yourself. I realize that, as much as I learned about social media and, how effective it is if you're consistent, that in itself is more than a full-time job, just doing that. And so that's where a lot of people just see, like, wow, I never have any time, um, to even do anything else, so that's where, if you don't have video marketing working for you, or if you're doing that, it takes time to create a video, render a video, put the keywords in, learn how to get it ranked, all by itself. Content marketing, being able to write good content and blogs, and learning, having the patience to wait for that information to get seen so that you can have lead generation, learning how to use, audios like these or conference calls, webinar marketing. If you're going to be marketing online, you can't just be like Zig Ziglar said, Johnny One Note, which is one of these things, and that's all you do. I just talk to my list of people on my Twitter. I just talk to my Facebook group, and that's all I do. Well, then that's all the results you're going to get. You're missing in the whole entirely different, niche of people who are just as interested in the products and services you have, but you have no marketing there. So that's where you again have someone working for you, a VMA, who goes to work and starts putting these things together for you. And I'll tell you flat out right now, to do all of these things, most people could not afford them. And so what we've done is we've created a unique leverage way for you to be able to afford these things working with us, as they say, helping us to help you. So we've created something unique called a service matrix. And what the service matrix does is it allows you, being a customer, to start getting some work done for you on a smaller scale. And then as you refer other people to these great services while you're helping others, then that also allows you to get more help as well. And your service matrix is a simple 3x2, just two levels of services. And when you have those two levels full of other referring customers, either from you or from someone else referring them above you, then what that is going to produce is more services for you. Now, a lot of people aren't familiar with these services and these networks that we're going to do. So we're going to touch on them a little bit. One of the great things that you're going to see with the capture pages that we're going to really customize these for you. A lot of you have learned how to use our capture page system and our free capture page system. But when we customize your capture pages, when people opt into those, they're going to go directly to your specific link, your specific affiliate company, and have the opportunity to not only join there, but join on the back end. And backlinks, as you're going to see, is if you have a particular affiliate link or so forth, we're going to put backlinks out on the internet that when you have a rankable site, that if some of you do, we'll be able to help push the rankings up for your site. So you see the things that we're doing are long term and they're permanent. They're always going to work. And so post it on social media and forums. That information stays out in cyberspace for life. And when people begin to search, and sometimes a company resurges and has more traffic, your information's already out there on a consistent basis. Same thing for forums, same things, for videos that are out there. We're going to, show you how you can, we'll actually do it for you. We'll take the videos from your company, add your contact information to the video, repost it, and so then therefore, again, you have a video that's out there on a consistent basis, bringing traffic to your particular network. And then what we're going to talk about again tonight is on the second level, the SEO marketing web 2.0 sites. There's ways to get out on the first pages of Google. We are already doing this, and so this is going to be a great leverage, for a lot of you to just take advantage of what we do. I'm just going to show you just some simple samples of how a very large long-term network of opportunity launch is just going to be dominating all over the internet, and those of you who are part of the viral marketers are going to basically enjoy writing on those services. So let me go out here to the net out here. What we do is we find, again, companies that are launching, pre-launching, that are getting traffic, and what we do is we position ourselves in front of that traffic. When we know people are out looking for this particular company, you can generate a lead for your particular company using the traffic from others, because a lot of times people may not have heard of your specific company yet, so they haven't started searching for it. But we find companies that are already getting traffic and have some marketing going forward, and we've been doing this for a while. So as you see, it takes time for things to get positioned, but when they do, we take over the #1 spot. And when we take over that number one spot for that company versus everyone else that's in that company trying to market that, even this person has been out there since 2012, and we passed that person up here. And so, we've got some powerful marketing tools that we know are going to help put us in front of a lot of niches. And very simply here is then, as we talked about, this is where we have SEO marketing. This is where we're able to then, the VMAs have done this already. So, when we get your particular company and so forth, and you getting referring people with us, getting down to the second level matrix for the services that we have, that's when these things can be done for you. Because I would tell you flat out, you could not afford to just pay us to do this for you, to go out and do the work that it takes to get on the first pages of Google for your niche. You can go out and search SEO. That's what it's called, SEO marketing. Go out and try to hire any firm, any individual for Fiverr. I promise you, they're not going to be able to do it for $5. It's going to cost you more like 500, sometimes a month, just for one keyword. And they want to contract with you. So just want to let you know that these things are not easy to do and they're not cheap. And we do them for more than one. You take a company like Traffic Authority, that already has, again, a lot of marketers that are out there, but we've been able to position ourselves with absolutely no content, just a sample page right on the first page of Google, as you can see. And then once we get a foothold in, then our marketers go to work to push that up. So when somebody comes into our network and says that they're marketing Traffic Authority, and they build their service matrix up to have the SEO marketing, then guess what? We're able to then put them in those places where that work is being done. We're able to reward people who are also, working with us, either with their team or just with the general online community that are looking for ways to promote their business. So we're always looking for companies. One other telecom company that's out there, not here to promote any of these businesses, just want to show you the power of what we're able to do for companies that are older companies and even newer companies. Once again, seeing opportunity launch here, seeing opportunity launch here, seeing us get ourselves positioned even twice, sometimes for some keywords, and some other times can be more against other people. So again, having these marketing things going for you is what's going to help turn and change your business around. But we are focused on the customers. We're focused on the results, and those results take time. They're not instant. So we're looking for a certain type of person who's really serious about their business, because it is serious work to get to pay and get these things done and people hired. Now, on another note, for those of you that are interested in earning income with us, all you simply need to do first, as being a customer using these services, is just refer 3 other customers. There is right now a very serious transition that's going to take place in direct sales, network marketing, or matrix, or any types of program, and that is, if you're a business, you need to have customers. And there's going to be a real big shakeup for a lot of companies, that everyone who's in their company is in the compensation plan. They don't have a ratio of customers to distributors. Everybody that is buying or using their product is a distributor, and that model is not going to fly. So we've already got that in place for the future. Becoming an income earning affiliate, again, first you must be a customer, and then you must refer 3 customers before you can be placed into our income earning compensation plan, which is very lucrative and going to be rewarding, which I'm going to show you next. So as an income earning affiliate, you've referred 3 customers. Now you're going to get paid by bringing other customers. That's why it's so important, not distributors. So our model is different than a lot of other things, those fast start bonuses and all those types of things. That's getting paid for recruiting others. We don't have that type of model here. You're only getting paid by selling our services to other people who want to have their business marketed out on the internet. Now, as a income earning affiliate, you've already referred 3 people, showing that you're serious about growing the network. You're going to be compensated by helping them get their service matrices filled. They get down to where they're having the SEO marketing done for them. You don't do any of this work. You are simply sharing people with our services for us to do the work for them, and we compensate you for the more customers that you bring to the table in a very handsome and rewarding way. So by helping 3 people, those like first 3 that you referred that make you an income earning affiliate, you want to help them maximize our service matrix. You want them to maximize getting, let me back up here, 12 customers underneath them in some type of way. That's 12 other people that are interested in having the same work done for them. So again, we're not growing distributors, we're growing customers. So when you take 3 people that you referred and you're helping them get other customers, you're helping them get more and more marketing done for their business. And so that creates a very loyal, trusting relationship with you, as an affiliate with the company, helping someone else market their business. It's going to build some relationships with you in a different way than you've seen before. Instead of going out pitching an opportunity, pitching a deal, you may very well have a primary company. And the great thing about this is because you help them market their company, it's going to build a better relationship and easier for you to introduce to them what you do. It can create a reciprocal effect. So when you help that person fill that service matrix, let's just say those 3 people, that's going to produce $150 a month referral income for you. That is going to be locked in for 12 months, as we're going to show you. And then also, a second level doesn't just stop at those 3. You can actually help up to a total of 39 people, which is going to create, over $2,000 a month of income for you, doing nothing more than helping other people do what they're trying to do better by getting their business marketed out on the internet. So you can see, again, $600 a month just helping, again, 12 people that you take under your wing and begin to help them build a network of other customers who are interested in getting these services, produces an income for you that can help support your auto ships, pay for your marketing, and other things that you want to do. Now, that service is only $300 a year for all this marketing. I promise you, if you don't see the value of that, which is an average of only $25 a month, go out and try to find one person that will do even one of these things for you for less than $300 a month full time. You're not going to find it. And that's why the service matrix was created, to make it affordable. But again, we're going to be hiring people to do work for you all year. We can't, have people who aren't really serious minded. And so that's why we have, a very, no-brainer price, but still it helps us separate those who are just trying to kick tires and don't understand that it took time to get you on the first page of Google. And so, therefore, that's why we have an annual payment, which is an average of $25 a month. So when you're helping others, you become a customer yourself. You being a customer, there's no cost to upgrade to become an affiliate or so forth. You simply just refer 3 other customers. And by referring those 3 other customers, that now puts you in a very lucrative situation on a monthly basis, which, up to $2,000 a month, even more than pays for that annual one-time cost for $300. So you have an opportunity to let us work for you today, work for you as a client, and really help build your particular marketing out on the World Wide Web, and build relationships with others, to help build your business, being an affiliate, putting yourself in a position to work with us to grow our customer base, and get paid and rewarded for that, as well as build your primary business for those that are being introduced to you. Now, I want to share with you something that's even greater, that you're getting actually 2 for the price of 1, because we're actually combining the Synchronomatrix compensation plan, which is part of Opportunity Launch. And in your back office, just click on the video step number 2 if you haven't yet, or the super affiliate to learn how this powerful compensation plan works. So at the very same time, the income that is being earned from the VMA compensation plan also feeds the monthly income for the Synchronomatrix, which again produces $195 on the main 3x3 matrix. And if you just built this 3x3 for the VMA, not only are you going to have this 2000 as well, you're also going to have this income that's also happening as well with the same 39 people. So it's a very powerful system. This automatically feeds that automatically, and we really can't even count how the coded bonuses. You have to learn that that's an infinity program with 100% match on top of all this. So as you can see, this again producing, close to without this income added and coded bonuses, another 2,000 a month at the same time. So it's a 2-for-1 compensation plan, again, with a very, very, very powerful service of actually getting you real traffic out on the internet. So inside of Opportunity Launch here for the pre-launch of this, because we want to make sure we have enough people that are hired to start doing the work immediately for all of our customers that want to start using these services and get started. So in your back office, you can review, again, the PowerPoint, review the videos to learn more about the Synchronomatrix on step 2. You want to go review that there. That breaks it down in depth, as well as the super affiliate program. But right here in the viral marketer area, this is the area where that pre-launch and those who are actually wanting to basically say, yes, I'm interested in this service and wanting to get started, where you will be allowed to get instructions on what you need to do to join. There are a lot of support partners that we have with us, co-owners that have taken positions well before this time period, and they will also be assisting people. So if one of the co-owners has referred to you, you will actually get the opportunity of being first place into the matrix with them in the service matrix. So that way you're able to really, build fast, and just getting your 3 customers is going to start, producing and earning for you instantly. So we have a very large amount of co-owners. So, that definitely is going to have a lot of momentum. Once we have our owners placed, which is why we're calling it pre-launch, because we're placing owners now and their customers now, then those of you inside of Opportunity Launch here that are wanting to purchase these services we're able to do so right from this back office. We are paying our virtual marketing assistants who are around the world in Bitcoin. So definitely get yourself set up with a Coinbase account. We'll get a link on this site as well, so you'll know where to go to do that. Also in the upgrade area, we do have that information as well. Here you can click on this. This will take you to a place where you can set up your Coinbase account, and then these are some instructions when it's open for you and where you can make your payment for that annual payment of $300 to get your viral marketing going for you. And so that is a year-long service, again, that's going to put information permanently out on the internet. You'll also have a private back office as a customer, which is going to give you some other things that you can do for us to help better market your business. If you're in the US and you need help to get set up with a free phone number, a Google Voice number, so that way, if you want to have that listed with your advertisement out on the net, we can have that information there. If you want to use an alias email and put that on vacation, so when someone emails you, it emails them back to you, we're going to give you also different strategies and tools and things that you can do to, increase your conversion. Also for a lot of our customers, we do have an 800 number that we're going to add for the pretty much the first batch of beta testers, probably our first 100 customers. We're going to be testing a free 800 number that automatically sends an SMS message when somebody responds to your particular capture page. So that's a beta test that we're going to do also for the first 100 customers. So, a lot of benefits, a lot of things that we're doing. Again, we here at Opportunity Launch want to have the best tools and services to help you market your business, better than any other services and tools that are out there in a unique way. So we're real excited again about the viral marketing assistance. There's really nothing else out there, and with the service matrix, we know that there's nothing else that can compare with the price on how we're able to leverage up. Plus, we already have results. We already have things in place that we know are effectively working, and we're looking forward to working for you. So definitely pay attention. It's moving fast. Click on viral marketing, and if you're ready to purchase that program, let your person that referred you, know about it, get back to them, because we are actively placing people now. All right, looking forward to seeing you at the top.